Moreover, today we'll be unboxing the Oppo K13 Turbo, which comes with an active cooling fan. Officially, they call it the Swift Cooling Engine, so let's directly unbox and take a look. They've thought this through quite thoroughly. To prevent dust from entering the fan, they've included a fan cleaning brush. Okay, this is the phone case. It looks quite cool with a strong esports vibe. Next, let's take a look at this model with an active cooling fan. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Considering its features, functionality, and overall design, this device is a pure gaming product, huh? The overall back panel looks very much in line with the esports atmosphere. This device truly exudes a strong gaming vibe with numerous esports elements in its decorations. Here is its fan, and this is the main camera. It should be a wide-angle one. There is also a flash here. Okay, take a look here. The edges of the cooling fan feature a breathing light decoration. This light's color can be adjusted. I think this design is quite minimalist, with a colorful lighting effect. The fan currently has 2 adjustable modes. One is the intelligent variable frequency version. The other choice is the rapid overdrive mode setting. So let's experience the power of this fan. This fan looks like it has a very strong effect, doesn't it? I think in this price range, focusing on adding a cooling fan is really the right direction. When playing games, it can outperform other products in the same category. With an active cooling system added, it is easy to see that this fan can provide a very powerful and highly efficient cooling effect.